Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. I'm here at Marina San Pablo, and this is the 25-foot long NauticStar. It does seem like it's a little uneven as far as the where it's sitting. I did see that there was a note that there's a possibility that this boat's taking on water. My only guess, really, because I didn't see underneath, is probably the transducer hole right here is at waterline and not higher. The boat is currently not plugged in. It was not plugged in when I got here, and it doesn't look like it was plugged in with the extension cord over here to the boat itself. So let's go ahead and check out the bottom and check out the hole clean. Thank you for choosing US Dive.